Modern radar systems are among the most powerful sensing technologies ever developed. They can detect aircraft hundreds of kilometers away, track objects moving at extreme speeds, and map large areas using electromagnetic waves. Yet, despite decades of engineering progress, radar technology still faces a major limitation: size and power. Traditional radar transmitters rely on large power amplifiers, complex electronics, and cooling systems, which is why many radar installations remain bulky structures mounted on aircraft, ships, and large ground stations. Researchers are now exploring a semiconductor material that could help change this limitation. The material is called gallium oxide, an ultra-wide bandgap semiconductor, attracting increasing attention from scientists and engineers. Unlike conventional silicon electronics, gallium oxide devices can tolerate extremely high electric fields, allowing them to operate at much higher voltages than many existing semiconductor materials. This property is especially important for radar systems because radar transmitters rely on radio frequency power amplifiers to generate strong electromagnetic signals. These signals travel through the atmosphere, reflect from distant objects, and return to the radar receiver where the reflections are analyzed. The stronger and more efficient the transmitted signal, the greater the detection range and sensing capability of the radar system. Gallium oxide offers an important advantage in this area. Researchers estimate that its breakdown electric field may reach around 8 megavolts per centimeter, more than double that of widely used materials such as gallium nitride. This means electronic components made from gallium oxide could potentially handle higher voltages while remaining physically smaller, enabling more compact power electronics and radio frequency devices. If this technology reaches maturity, it could enable smaller radar modules operating with improved efficiency. Instead of relying on a single large radar installation, future systems could use networks of compact radar sensors deployed across drones, satellites, autonomous vehicles, and portable monitoring platforms. Beyond radar applications, gallium oxide is also being explored for high-voltage power electronics, electric vehicle converters, renewable energy infrastructure, and aerospace systems. The material belongs to a new generation of ultra-wide bandgap semiconductors designed to push power electronics beyond the limits of traditional silicon devices. However, engineering challenges remain. One of the most important is thermal management. Gallium oxide does not conduct heat as efficiently as some other semiconductor materials, meaning device designs must incorporate effective cooling and advanced packaging before widespread deployment becomes possible. Even so, research efforts across laboratories and semiconductor companies continue to accelerate. Advances in crystal growth, device fabrication, and materials engineering are steadily improving the performance of gallium oxide electronics. Subscribe to Dezhn for more deep dives into emerging technologies shaping the future of science and engineering.